Ever wondered why ice floats? Why we yawn at the worst possible time? Or what on earth a black hole actually does? Welcome to Fact Factory, where boring facts are banned and curiosity is manufactured daily. In this factory, we don't just learn science. We explode myths, crush confusion, and turn into oh wow. From space to soil, from the human brain to natural disasters. We break science into fun, simple, and mind-blowing facts. This series is proudly made in collaboration with Inaya Yusuf. And guess what? 45 weeks, 45 videos, unlimited facts. So buckle up, turn on your curiosity, and step inside the Fact Factory, where learning is fast, fun, and never boring. Hit subscribe, smash that like button, and join the Fact Factory queue, because smart is the new cool.